Well, less than 12 hours after being expelled from the Aam Aadmi Party, rebel leaders have hit out hard against the party leaders. In fact, Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav, two of the four rebel leaders expelled from the Aam Aadmi Party, have slammed the party leadership, saying Aam Aadmi Party is more of a carp now, claiming the move was unconstitutional and illegal. According to Bhushan, one of the top legal eagles of the country, the issue could be taken to court, but it would just be a waste of time and energy. Bhushan claimed the letter received from Aam Aadmi Party does not state what points were found lacking in their response to the show-cause notice. The Aam Aadmi Party National Disciplinary Committee had expelled Prashant Bhushan, Yogendra Yadav, Anand Kumar and Ajit Jha from the party for indulging in anti-party activities late last night. The AAP Media Cell press release said that Yogendra Yadav, Prashant Bhushan and Anand Kumar's response to the show-cause notices were considered and deliberated upon, and the committee found their responses unsatisfactory. Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav had organized the Swaraj Samvad meet and questioned the Aam Aadmi Party over its internal democracy.
2 महीने लगे इस नौटंकी को। 26 फरवरी से शुरू हुई थी जब हमको नेशनल एग्जीक्यूटिव से निकाला गया, निकालने की कोशिश करी गई। उसके बाद पहले पॉलिटिकल अफेयर्स कमेटी से निकाला गया, फिर नेशनल एग्जीक्यूटिव से निकाला गया, अब चलिए पार्टी से भी निकाल दिया गया है। चलिए कम से कम ये नौटंकी तो खत्म हुई।
आम आदमी पार्टी एक प्रयोग देश में होकर आई थी, तो प्रयोगशाला में क्या हो रहा है? ये किस तरह के आरोप प्रत्यारोप चल रहे हैं, और वो भी दिल्ली में इतनी बड़ी निर्णायक विजय के बाद। तो अब मैं क्या बताऊं, देख रहा हूं, पीड़ा भी होती है, और जिस स्तर के आरोप प्रत्यारोप चल रहे हैं वो तो बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है।
Well, the fight is getting especially dirty and personal between Aam Aadmi Party and the Bhushans. The first salvo fired by Shanti Bhushan early today, questioning Kejriwal over the overnight action and asking why wasn't he expelled from the party. This even as Prashant Bhushan said that he will go ahead with his Swaraj campaign. Now, Bhushan Senior also upped the ante by releasing an email exchange in July last year. The first email from Bhushan to Kejriwal strongly condemns the Aam Aadmi Party chief for his undemocratic ways, calling him selfish, exploitative, incompetent and a hypocrite. The mail ends with Bhushan asking for Kejriwal's resignation as Aam Aadmi Party convener if he wanted to focus only on Delhi. In reply, Kejriwal says that he would offer his resignation if needed, stressing all he had was respect for the senior lawyer. Bhushan in return again accuses Kejriwal of acting like a dictator and vetoing majority decisions of the national executive. Aam Aadmi Party meanwhile has made it clear that all gloves are off in this battle with the Bhushans. Deputy Editor Brijesh Pandey is now joining us with more details. Brijesh, how damaging is this mudslinging proving for the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, it's extremely damaging, Maha, because, the party stood up and fought elections against all other political parties, calling it a very different political party, a party which stands for probity, a party which practices democracy in its truest fashion. And imagine Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav, who were the co-member of the team Arvind Kejriwal, today Ashish Khaitan casting serious aspersions on the character of Prashant Bhushan and Shanti Bhushan, calling them of somebody who is practicing a PIL industry and somebody who's worth more than 500 to 600 crore rupees worth. And in counter, Prashant Bhushan saying that Ashish Khaitan did some planted stories on behalf of SR. So it's extremely damaging to the reputation of Aam Aadmi Party, because the mudslinging is out in the open. Now, these kind of details which are being distributed in public, that definitely the image, the halo around Arvind Kejriwal and the image of Aam Aadmi Party will definitely take a severe beating. Maha?
Brijesh, what is likely to be the next move of the Bhushans in a scenario like this?
Well, Shanti Bhushan has taunted Arvind Kejriwal today that why has he not been expelled and only Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav been expelled. And what it looks like is that initially earlier when they convened a Swaraj Yojana and interacted with his supporters, they knew that what was incoming, but they did not want it to be seen away as somebody who broke the party. Now, since the party has expelled them, I think they will do much consultation with their supporters, their well-wishers, and only after that they will arrive at get some sort of a decision in whether they should form a party or carry out and a social organization and carry forward the principles and the aims for which they had joined Aam Aadmi Party. Maha?
Brijesh, many thanks for joining us with those details.